Okay, we are joined by one of the head of the delegation, Shrikant Shinde, and we'll take his reaction. So, what was the crux of the meeting? What is the big takeaway that you're taking to the world?
See, there are 7 delegations which will be going to different countries. One delegation which I lead will visit UAE and some countries of West Africa. And the main topic or the main message of this delegation to the entire world is fight against terrorism, zero tolerance against terrorism. Terrorism which is proliferating in the soils of Pakistan and spreading to India. Every time some of the other attack which is happening on India, and now it is not limited only to India, but it is spreading to the entire world. The US also has suffered the same terrorism activities. UK also suffered, UAE has also suffered, some parts of Africa has also suffered. So to put it on a larger platform in front of the entire world, the real face of Pakistan, the real face of terrorism. I think the briefing has been done today by MEA, which was very much useful and fruitful for entire delegates to put forward their views, how India is battling this terrorism and how India has taken restrained action every time, not proliferating into an entire war. So now, over a period of time where Pakistan continuously hits at India,
right?
Yeah, every time. So there is a threshold of India also.
Is it zero tolerance?
Yeah, zero tolerance. Now we are in zero tolerance. We will not tolerate Pakistan nuisance and Pakistan's terrorism activities in India, and we have given them an answer with this Operation Sindhu.
All right.
So all this will be taking it to the entire world.
I've been given to understand that you will be given talking points in terms of a series of briefings will also be held as you travel across countries.
See, now the briefing has happened. Now, as we travel across, there will be ambassadors there will be high commissioners there, and over a period of this is a 13-day, 14-day tour. So everywhere where we meet different dignitaries and diplomats, everywhere we will be accompanied with the ex-ambassadors or the officers from the MEA who will guide us, who will be with us, and we will act as a team.
Okay.
To put forward our clear message that is zero tolerance against terrorism.
Were there any dissenting voices in the meeting or any questions that were asked?
There were a number of questions asked for clarifications with the Foreign Secretary of the MEA. I think there are obviously a lot of questions because everyone is leading this delegation for the first time, going in this kind of delegation which the government is sending across the whole world. So there were a lot of questions which were very coolly and calmly and very in detailed explained to every member. So I think everyone is very much prepared, and the member who are going are very much experienced members of the parliament also.
Thank you, Mr. Shinde. Wishing you all the best. Thank you so much. And there was Shrikant Shinde, who's heading one of these delegations, laying out the template for the entire travel. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.